Assalamu alaikum dear students. So here we are with our today's class about the course content of class 7th secondary term examination. We will discuss briefly the syllabus which is included in your examination, and then we will discuss about the different parts of the examination paper. First of all, if we look at the paper pattern, your paper will include three parts: subjective, objective and ATP or practical paper. Subjective part will be of 40 marks and you will be given about 2 hours and 30 minutes to complete this paper. The objective part will consist of 25 marks and it will consist of 30 minutes. And the third part will be of practical. As practicals are not performed during this pandemic, so you will be given a 10 marks MCQ paper and you will be allowed to do this paper in 30 minutes. Now we will briefly go through the syllabus which is included in your examination. First of all, there will be chapter 2 is included, which is of about respiration. Then we will go through chapter 4, which is about transport in plants, chapter 7 water everywhere, and chapter 10 which is about heat on move, and chapter 12 about sound waves. So how we can prepare our examination from examination point of view? First of all, you should make short questions of important topics which are included in your syllabus. Then you should highlight the points in those short questions and as well as in long questions which are very important to be mentioned during your paper examination. And in last, you should do the exercises, as most of the questions are also included come from the exercise. So here was a brief introduction about the syllabus and the paper pattern of class 7th.